Want to master DevOps from scratch, right from your home setup? This open source HomeLab series is your step by step guide to become job ready using real world simulations. All the code, checklist, and challenges are inside this GitHub repo, ready for you to clone and start practicing. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I drop new hands on videos every week. Let's build your DevOps skills the real way. This is the official repository for the DevOps HomeLab series. You'll find clearly organized folders like hardware setup, Linux install, networking basics, each matching a specific episode in the series. This is not just a bunch of scripts, this is a structured learning experience designed to mimic how DevOps engineers actually work in real companies. To get started, we are going to click on code. From here, I am going to copy the link to this repository, jump to my Visual Studio Code, and I will run git clone and paste the repository link. Press enter. Now this repository is on our local machine. You can see the same folder structure we have here. So I'm going to minimize this and let's try to open each folder and go through the files. So each folder has challenges.txt file, hardware checklist, readme.md. Similarly, we have the same files in here, challenges.txt file, Linux install checklist, readme.md. For example, let's look at the challenges.txt file. Here I'm giving a challenge: create a new user on your Linux server using the terminal, followed by Linux install checklist. So what all are required for you to install Linux? Download Ubuntu. Once you have finished downloading, you can check mark with cross or you can tick mark. It's up to your wish. Okay, this is how it is like designed for each and every episode. You can check mark here hardware checklist, followed by you have challenges here as well. Then we have networking basics, the same. Everything is organized in the same structure. This checklist will help you complete the setup step by step. The challenges simulate real world problems you'll face on the job. It's not theory, it's hands on engineering. If you want, you can copy this particular folder in a separate folder. If not, you can continue in the same repository, create your own notes locally, write your answers, troubleshoot issues, and build experience you can confidently talk about in interviews. If this project helps you, give it a star on GitHub. It supports the project and shows other learners that this is worth checking out. Something like this. If you find a mistake or unclear instructions, just click on Issues tab, click on New Issue, and click on Bug Report. You can give the clear description of the bug if there is any problem, step by step procedure how to reproduce this problem, expected behavior, and also screenshots. Then click on Create. If you want to improve something, let's say if you solve a challenge and want to share your answers, open an issue, click on Suggestion or Improvement. And you can give your ideas or solutions that can be useful to other people. I'll review it, and if it fits the learning flow, I'll add it to the repo with your name credited. No pull request needed. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. The channel is Learn with DevOps Engineer, and I post new DevOps simulations every week. Tomorrow's video is a big one: deploying your first web server from scratch. It's the first real milestone in your infrastructure journey. Don't miss it. Let's build real DevOps skills together. See you in the next video.